Hello, I am Rudransh.
I am Bhuvi.
And I am Devin.
So let's talk about the problem. The persistence issue of dirty and waterlogged benches in parks, gardens, and other public spaces poses a significant challenge to the community. It deteriorates people's enjoyment to the natural beauty and pleasantness these areas offer. Due to rainfall, these benches become unusable as they get waterlogged, which after some time causes growth of algae and moss, which makes it slippery and hazardous. To address this, a regular maintenance is required, which causes a lot of expenditure.
Now let's talk about solution to this problem. The solution to this is reversible benches. This will solve the problem of dirty and waterlogged benches in the society.
Now let's talk about its features. First, it will have a manual system by which it can be flipped. Second, it will have two layers which can be rotated. Third, once a layer gets dirty, we can rotate that and place that on the back side and the backrest at the seating area.
Let's know more about our project. This bench has a very low cost and is very efficient as it does not require regular maintenance. Secondly, it will be made of complete willow wood, which is cheaper, stronger, and lighter than normal wood.
Third, willow wood grows faster comparatively to normal wood, which means there will be less tree harming. Fourth, as willow wood is lighter, it will be easy to move from one place to another. But as it is light in weight, it can be easily stolen. So as to prevent it, its legs will be fixed in the ground.
Government should place these benches in parks, gardens, etc. as they are cheap, lightweight and completely made of wood, which makes it 100% recyclable.
Now, let's see our prototype.
Thank you.